The good news is that there are a lot of cars that still have like a dedicated compartment where a spare tire can be stored. For those cars, if those storage spaces or those compartments exist, we will do our best to design our spares so that they can be stored in those compartments. There is one key point that we should mention is there are some cars that still have a compartment that looks like a spare tire could be stored there. The reason ours may not fit is because we have found that it's more important to design the spare tire with the proper diameter for the vehicle's drivetrain. We found that that's more important than whether or not it can fit into that dedicated compartment. If your car does not have a dedicated storage space, that's why we designed that. The reinforced carrying case keeps everything nice and neat and snug. And again, it's 6 inches when laid flat, so it's still compact. It's easy to pull out, put back in. And like I said, a lot of people will leave it at home in the garage. And if they're just commuting locally, be able to retrieve it in a bad situation, and far outweighs waiting for and dealing with the tow truck and all the hassle that's involved there.